Hi everyone, my name is Titilayo. You can call me Layo, and at the end of this video, you can call me IT Audit Big Sister. I'm here to introduce you to Layos Academy, where beginners become confident IT auditors. I'm going to take a few minutes to walk you through something I wish existed when I was going to start my IT audit career. And this is what has bettered Layos Academy. Back then, when I wanted to start my career in the IT audit field, I was confused. I was overwhelmed. Honestly, I did not know where to begin. I did not have anyone to guide me. I did not have any checklist. I did not have any template. I did not have any roadmap. I did not have any template. I did not have any mentor. I was really confused. And honestly, this made my journey very overwhelming. This made my journey very long. And it made me to learn the hard way. And that is why I've decided to help you to get into the IT audit journey on a smoother road and not take the long journey or the long road I went through. So everything you're about to see in Layos Academy is something I wish I had when I started my IT audit career. The resources are clear, they are practical, they are faith-driven, they are step-by-step, and they are created with a genuine heart to help someone out there. Everything is built from experience, everything is built from real struggles, everything is built from real lessons I learned along the way. Whether you are brand new, you are preparing for interviews, or you're already in IT audit field and you need clarity, Layos Academy is your one-stop place to get all the resources you need to make you succeed, to make you be confident as an IT auditor. Today, I'm going to show you what is inside Layos Academy, and I'm going to explain how each of the products in Layos Academy is going to help you to strengthen your IT audit career. Come along with me as I show you what Layos Academy has to offer. Thank you. Hi everyone. Thank you for coming along with me to Layos Academy, where beginners become confident IT auditors. This is Layos Academy, and we have a series of resources for you to help you, to guide you step by step as you begin your new journey into your IT audit career. The first product I'm going to be talking about, which is the best starting point for anyone who feels lost, is the IT audit roadmap. It breaks the entire IT audit journey into 12 clear weeks that you can follow steps by step. Inside the roadmap, you'll find what to study each week. You're going to find simple activities to practice each week. You're going to find guidance on how to read my IT audit fundamental book. You're going to find my personal encouragement that I will be sharing with you. Trust me, you're going to need this encouragement as you go along on the journey. The second product I'll be talking about is the IT Audit Fundamentals Manual. This is your core knowledge foundation. These are the chapters that explain access management, change management, IT operations, IT application controls. Every chapter was written from real experience while working on IT audits at a big four public accounting company and also a financial institution. If you study this manual and do the activities inside, you would have more than enough knowledge to start your career. Everything is broken down in simple language, real examples, actual scenarios, and clear testing steps. This manual removes the fear people have when they hear words like ITGC or ITAC. Each chapter helps you to think the way real auditors think. The next product I have here is the Resume and LinkedIn Optimization Guide. This is one of the favorite resources because I remember how difficult it was for me to create my first IT audit resume. I remember going into an interview and the hiring manager looked at me and said, "Can you explain to me how you did all this? You worked as a SOX analyst, you worked as an infrastructure network analyst, you worked as a SOC analyst, you did GRC." And then I knew I messed up. Nobody was explaining the key words to use. Nobody was showing how to write my achievement. Nobody was telling me how to present my IT audit skills confidently. So I created a guide that does all that for you. It teaches you how to position yourself correctly, even as a beginner. It gives you clarity on what hiring managers want to see. It helps you show your potential, not just your past. The fourth product I have here is the IT Audit vocabulary. This is a simple beginner friendly glossary to help you understand IT audit faster. This guide is a lifesaver. If you feel lost with technology, this is your dictionary for IT audit. When I started, the biggest thing that confused me was the language. This guide contains 100 IT audit words explained in simple English, short examples and friendly explanations. You can print it, you can use it to revise before your interviews. It will help you speak with more confidence. When you hear words like SOR and you're still wondering what does it mean, this guide is going to help you. Consider this your IT audit dictionary. And guess what? I had that 20 additional words. So you're going to be having a total of 120 words in your IT audit beginner vocabulary. The next product I have is the IT Audit Interview Cheat Sheet Pack. This is one of the most powerful products in the store. This one is for you if interviews scare you or you feel unsure of how to answer your questions. I wrote this pack with so much intention because I want you to feel equipped when you walk into any interview. Inside, you will find 20 interview questions plus 10 bonus, making a total of 30 based on a real senior job description. 10 complete star storytelling examples, your tell me about yourself script, your walkthrough explanation script, your testing explanation script. Everything is written the way a real auditor speaks. This is the pack I wish I had when I started. This is for anyone preparing for interviews and wanting to sound clear, professional, and confident. The next product I have in my store is the AI Twin Prompt for corporate men and women. This is a fun bonus resource. I created it because many people love visual motivation. It helps you generate a professional look using AI so you can visualize yourself in your future career. I believe strongly in vision. Sometimes seeing yourself in a professional environment would boost your confidence. You can use this to create professional AI styled corporate photos for your LinkedIn, for your vision board, or for your personal branding. A lot of us have pictures on our LinkedIn that are not professional, and that is one of the reasons why you are not getting that call from your recruiter or from an hiring manager. I also have a detailed instruction of how you're going to make use of the AI prompt. The next product I have in my store is the 45-minute clarity session. This session is actually for you if you're still trying to understand whether IT audit is the right path for you, or you're working through the manual and you feel stuck or confused. I'm going to sit with you one on one. I'm going to listen to your goals. I'm going to explain the fields in simple terms and help you build clarity. There's going to be no pressure. However, there's going to be no promises of jobs, just honest guidance from someone who has walked this path. The next product I have in my store is a done for you resume and cover letter. After going through my resume and LinkedIn optimization manual, and you still need help, I can help you tailor a personal resume and cover letter you can use based on your experience. I'm going to provide you detailed instructions on what I'm going to need from you to get this started. The next product I have in the store is going to be the 2 week deep dive training program. Honestly, I'm not expecting anybody to get to this stage. This program is going to be only for those who have gone through all my materials, but they still want a deeper breakdown. They want hands-on clarity and step-by-step walkthrough support. Like I said, to be honest, most people would not need this once they understand the manual and roadmap, but it is available for those who need extra help. And that is why I'm going to make it super, super expensive because I've already provided you with all the resources and materials you need to thrive in the IT audit space. The next product I have in my store is going to be the Corporate Confidence Toolkit for Women. This toolkit helps women show up with clarity, with confidence, and presence in corporate spaces. Inside, you'll find practical scripts, mindset shifts, and gentle confidence tools that help you speak clearly, to advocate for yourself, and step boldly into your professional identity. It is created to help you grow with strength. It is created to help you grow with ease. You're going to get simple scripts and gentle structure to help you speak. The next product I have in my store is the 2026 Digital Vision Board Template. This guided vision board template helps you map out your goals for 2026 with clarity and with intention. If you're out there and you don't have your vision board for 2026, you can use this template. It is never too late to start. Use the prompt to reflect and add meaningful images and design a vision that inspires you daily. It is perfect for setting direction for your lifestyle, your career, your finances, your relationships, your joy, and your personal growth. It is a simple, modern, and easy to use template that you can personalize. You are going to be getting a template like this, and when you are done with your vision board, it's going to be looking like this. I already have my vision board for 2026 completed. I'm going to leave you with a word on this. Habakkuk 2 verse 2. Write the vision and make it plain upon tablets, that he may run that readeth it. And this is going to take me to the last product I currently have in my store. It is the affirmations and prayer bundle for seasons of transition. The affirmations and prayer bundles for seasons of transition. This bundle is a gentle reminder. It is a gentle guide for anyone stepping into a new chapter. It includes affirmations, prayers, scriptures, a daily tracker, and reflection pages to help you stay grounded and focused, and to help you stay encouraged as you transition. It is perfect for moments of change, career shifts, personal growth, and seasons where you are becoming a stronger and more aligned version of yourself. Thank you for walking through Layos Academy with me. I hope you find all these resources useful, and I'm looking forward to see a greater you in the new year 2026. Hi, I'm back. I was going to end this video, but I see someone sitting out there that's watched this video till the end, and the person has a question. Is this really for me? Can I do this? I'd like to tell you something from my heart. You can do this. You really can. If someone like me who started from zero could grow into this field, you can do it. I truly created this product from a place of gratitude and a place of obedience. Everything here was designed to shorten your journey, to remove confusion, and help you step into IT audits with boldness and with confidence. If I had all this when I started, my story would have been so much smoother. And that is the reason Lions Academy exists today. I created all these products because I do not want you to struggle the way I did. I want you to learn with peace. I want you to learn with structure. And I want you to learn with confidence. I want you to have the guidance that I never had. I want you to know that you are not alone in this journey. Take your time, follow the materials, use the templates, practice the exercises. If you do the work, the results will follow. Also, you don't have to be in the IT audit career field before you follow Lions Academy. I have a series of resources that could be helpful to you also. I have the vision board template, I have the confidence toolkit, I have the affirmation and daily declarations that could also help you in whatever field or whatever career you are in. Please follow me on my social media handles because I'm going to be dropping weekly videos on IT audit to also help you on your journey. In the spirit of gratitude to God, I currently have all my products listed at discounted prices. Go through the shop to enjoy the discounts as all prices will go up in the new year. Get what you need and send me a message if you ever need help in choosing the right products. I am here. I am rooting for you. I am praying for you. And I am cheering you for your success because you are in the right space to learn with purpose, to grow with confidence, and to lead with grace. Thank you for being part of Layos Academy. My name is Layo, the founder and CEO of Layos Academy.